Well, hey guys. So we got like a storm going on right now.
Raining now.
Yeah, it's raining. I'm just doing a one taker today because it's been kind of a bleh Sunday, and Charlie just went down for his nap, and we were gonna have someone come over, but because we're actually under a tornado watch right now, which to me is not as bad as a tornado warning. I'm just like, okay, but we are having a thunderstorm, so that's fun. And Charlie's down for a nap, and probably do a little bit of cleaning, but right now it's like so dark, and it's only like 2 something. Look at this rain, and you can see all the leaves falling from the trees. But anyway, yeah, I'm just doing the one taker because I don't have a lot to do today, because we're just gonna be stuck inside all day. But it is daylight savings time, so we got an extra hour of sleep, and my battery's dying, so that's another reason. But it's daylight savings time, so it'll probably go dark in like an hour. Yay. And also today is National Love Your Red Hair Day. Yeah, red hair. I do care. Ooh. The temperature is dropping out here. It was like 70 degrees, and now it's dropping. But anyway, sadly I gotta go ahead and end this because this battery's gonna end it for me. And wow, look at that. I don't know if you guys can see all the leaves. It's getting crazy. Anyway, I guess I'll go ahead and say bye. But I might let the camera end it for me because this is like, oh, there's hail. There's hail, ladies and gentlemen. We have hail coming down. Oh, yep, I see some on the car. We have hail. Oh, boy. Look at that.
Road balls.
I know. Well, I did see on the thing it said there was probably going to be hail. Look, there's a piece right there. There's a piece of hail right there. Yep. We have hail. Well, hail. Want it?
No, I'm good.
You get it anyway. Okay. Whoa. Yeah, it's coming down it. Oh, he just put it on my pants. Oh, woo, the wind. Oh, okay.
Dude, it's windier than a political convention.
I know, holy crap. Okay, I gotta turn the camera off.
If that cracks your windshield, I'm gonna be really mad.
Well, at least we got insurance. Okay, well. Woo!
Dude, that was a big piece of hail.
Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, I see it. Oh, look at those out there. I can see them. Holy crap! Holy crap! I've never seen. Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy crap! That's big hail. Holy crap! Don't crack my windshield. Holy crap! Look at. That's gonna wake him up. Holy crap. Oh, it's getting bigger.
Make sure to wake up the start. Oh, man, to wake the start.
Look at this hail. Oh my god, look. Look at this. Ah. Holy crap. Oh, look at those pieces over there under the swing. Oh, it's calming down now. Dang, how's this for a one taker? Oh look, there's a guy running out in it. You're crazy! You're crazy!